Hello everybody and welcome back to Black Country Diecast. Doing another restoration jobby today on a Ford Escort XR3I Cabriolet. It's not in the worst nick in the world, but it could do with a bit of a renovate. As you can see, I've already drilled the rivet out. So let's take them apart and see what we're saying. There we go. Okay, so there we go, there's the casting. I would say not in the worst condition in the world, but could do with a bit of spruce up. The plastics, front grille, rolly cagey type thingy. Interior, probably paint that black. Front windscreen, and that's a bit of a problem. Got to try and get that red off those front lights. And the base. Might spray the base black, might leave it that colour, not sure. Probably going to leave the standard Matchbox wheels on this one, because they're in very good nick. But you might notice this video will take place at night under these dodgy lights. In the daytime, in the kitchen. I'm doing it over several nights just to break it up a little bit, but as per usual, paint stripper, casting, in it goes. Get it nicely coated up, and what I'm going to do is once that's all coated up, going to get these and I'm just going to dip them in, because this paint stripper does react to the plastic a little bit. I'm just going to leave it there for 5 minutes and then start scraping away the red paint. So we'll pop the top on. Give it a little shake. Take the top back off because it works better with this air. And I'll be back once the casting is stripped. Okay, so the cast of the XR3I is now stripped. And there he is. I'm going to give him a bit of a buff up with a good old sanding pad, because I still haven't bought any attachments for my multi-tool. Then we'll go to the super high-tech spray booth, give him some undercoat, and give him a lovely top coat of metallic blue. Give him a few little details, put him back together, and we'll have a lovely looking Ford. So, first off, let's give it a nice polish with this pad. Let's get some of that dullness off, give it a nice key for the undercoat to stick to. There we go. Not as shiny as it could be, but a darn sight better than it is. I just noticed. Oh, one of the wing mirrors has just fallen off. And that's gone. Never to be seen again. That's disappeared under my desk. So we won't worry about that though. The law states you need 2 working mirrors. There's one. I'm sure there's a rearview mirror in there, and he's just lost that one. Some unruly kids come along and smashed it off in the middle of the night. So I'll continue to polish that up, and then I'll see you in the kitchen and give him a undercoat and a lovely coat of blue. Okay, so here we are on the super high-tech spray booth with my newspaper and the kitchen extractor fan. I'm going to give the plastic trims a coat of black gloss, give the interior a coat of grey, and then this a nice undercoat primer and some metallic blue. Now I am aware I need something to hold these to spray them, because they just end up sticking to the newspaper, but I don't have anything, so it is what it is. End of the day, I'm doing this on a budget. I haven't got money to throw at it. I do this with cheap spray cans and it is what it is. So let's give it a coat first. Just to freshen up the plastic a bit. Just to give it a new lease of life. There's a bit of red on the front grille there. There it goes. There we go. That's all it needs. Now, I can't move it now. Tell you what, let's use a tow hook. Drag him over there. Now interior. I wanted to do black, but I can't find my matte black. So I'm going to give it a grey interior. Again, just a cheap auto matte silver. Just to give it a bit of a freshen up. Yeah, that's alright, and I'll have that nicely. That. And then the main body itself, as usual, tap your surface primer. Just got to go easy with it because it's normal surface primer, not fine surface primer, because I'm an idiot and I bought the wrong one. So there we go. Oh, I think that's covered. All right. So we'll leave that the usual 10-15 minutes. Come back and give it a coat of the metallic blue, which always comes up nice. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, we're back at the desk. Paint's dry. Looking pretty good. So let's have a look at the Ford Escort. Delivered on our newly refurbished lorry, of course. And there he is. Now I'm not going to lie, just on the bonnet here, in a bit of a problem with the paint. That's been painted 3 times and that just keeps coming back, and I haven't got the time, the patience or inclination to do it again. So yeah, but there we go, nice metallic blue. Kept the original wheels because they're in good shape. Just going to give these rear lights a bit of detail. Just with a little paint pen. Just colouring those brake lights. Just to give it a little bit of added detail. I was going to use my silver one to put the Ford badge on the front here, but as per everything else in my house, it disappears. Excuse me. Disappears into the ether. So let's get him off. Let's have a little bit of a close up. Nice colour, not too dissimilar to the original colour. Obviously we've lost the XR3I sign on the side, which is a shame, but we've given the plastics a coat of black and the interior a coat of silver. I think it contrasts quite nicely. So apart from that, on the front, yeah, not too bad. So there we go, an also restored Ford Escort XR3I Cabriolet. And thanks very much for watching, and I hope to catch you again soon. Ta-ra a bit.